But what is the door slam? The INFJ door slam isn't just cutting someone off. It is a psychological defense mechanism, a form of self-preservation. It's the moment when an INFJ decides that enough is enough. But here's the twist. This isn't done out of hatred. It's often done out of pain, disappointment, and a desperate need for emotional survival. INFJs don't do this lightly. They wrestle with it internally, replaying moments, analyzing if they did the right thing. But once they walk away, it's usually final. The door is closed, locked, and bolted shut.